Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode. Today we're actually going to be talking about better buys, and we're going to use proportions to do that. Now, in this particular case, we're talking about a better buy. We mean when we have two prices for the same type of item, and we want to figure out which one's the better deal. It doesn't always relate just to how much the package price is, but it could be how much it is per unit. So we're actually going to be using a unit rate. Alright, your objective for this video is, as a student, I will be able to determine the better buy when comparing two prices. That's what we're going to do. We're going to get started on a question that's going to show you what we're doing. You do not need a graphic organizer for this one. However, you will need a worksheet here in a couple minutes, and I'll let you know which one that is. We're going to start with this first one. It says you can buy 3 apples at Quick Market for $1.17. You can buy 5 of the same apples at Stop and Save for $2.40. Part A asks, which store is the better buy? Well, I'm going to start with Quick Market. I have 3 apples for $1.17, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a unit rate. So 3 apples, $1.17. Remember, we always put our same labels. Okay? And then, when we talk about a unit rate, we want to solve for 1. Well, in this particular case, to figure out which one's the better buy, we need to see how much it is for each apple. So we're going to go ahead and put 1 apple, and that's going to be X dollars. So, how do we solve it? Well, we're going to cross multiply and divide. $1.17 times 1 is $1.17 divided by 3. So let's figure out how much it is per apple. So let's go ahead and divide by 3. Bring up our decimal point. 3 goes into 11 3 times. That would be 9. It gives us 27. 3 goes into 27 9 times. And that would leave us with nothing. So that means 1 apple at Quick Mart equals 39 cents, which is pretty cheap. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. We also need to do Stop and Save. In Stop and Save, you can buy 5 apples for $2.40. We need to figure out how much it is for each apple. Okay, in this particular case, 5 apples, we're going to solve for 1 apple and X dollars. $2.40 times 1 is $2.40 divided by 5 would give us 5 goes into 2 0 times, put up my decimal, goes into 24 4 times, gives us 20. We subtract, we got 40, that would be 8. So 5 times 8 is 40, look at that. So in this particular case, 1 apple is going to cost us 48 cents. I'm going to make myself some room. So at Stop and Save, 1 apple equals 48 cents. Now, that's pretty good. Based on this, which one do I want to buy an apple from? Well, I probably want to buy an apple from the lowest price, which is 39 cents, which is Quick Market. So I need to make sure I answer that. Okay, which store has the better buy? Well, the answer is Quick Market. So you need to write that and actually put a box around your answer. Quick Market. And that is our answer. And we know that, and we've proved it because we have our work. Now, there's a last question on here. It says, how much will you save per apple if you purchase it from the cheaper store? So how much are we going to save? Well, that's really pretty easy. All you need to do is you just need to subtract the two prices. The top price was 48 cents. Okay, and the bottom price is 39 cents. And we're going to subtract, and that's going to give us a difference of 9 cents. So how much will you save? Well, we're going to save 9 cents per apple. Okay, so we're going to say save 9 cents. Wow, can't write 9 cents per apple. That being said, that's your answer. Okay, that is how you figure out the better buy. Now, it's not always the cheaper price. It could be different. So let's look at number 4. Okay, another example. You can buy 5 cans of green beans at the Market Basket for $2.40. You can buy 10 of the same green beans at Costco for $4.40. Which is the better buy? Well, we're going to do the same thing. So let's start with Market Basket. We can get 5 cans for $2.40, and we want to solve for 1 can, which I'm going to be honest with you, that's the same exact one we just did, which is 48 cents. Okay. Cross multiply and divide, that's how you figure that out. And you can also buy 10 cans at Costco for $4.40. Okay, and cross multiply, we're going to solve for 1 can. Remember, you're going to solve for 1 can. We're going to X dollars, and $4.40 divided by 10, that's going to be 44 cents per can. So 1 can equals 44 cents. Now, which one's the better deal? Well, in this particular case, it's this one because it's only 44 cents. So where's that store? Well, that's Costco. So Costco is important. Costco is our answer in this one. Okay, go ahead and circle around it. That's the better buy. And then it says, how much do you save per can? Well, you find the difference between 48 and 44. Make sure you show your work. Okay, got to get your points. 4 cents. Wow, that's 4 cents. Okay, so that's how much you save per can. So save per can. And that's it. There you go. You're going to save per can. Sorry you can't see that very well. Moving on. Okay, now, at this time, we're going to show you a few examples. You need to get this worksheet. This is worksheet number 3. Okay, worksheet number 3. Now, on worksheet number 3, I want to warn you, go ahead and pause the video, go get it. Go ahead, go get it, pause it, go get it. All right, now that you have worksheet number 3, I want to let you know something. You do not need to do number 4. This is a challenge problem. You can do it if you would like, but you don't need to do number 4. So, just giving you a heads up. That one involves something that we will do in the next couple of videos. All right, moving on though. We're going to get started. On worksheet number 3, I'm going to do number 1 on the left and number 1 on the right with you. And then we're going to ask that you do the rest. So here we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay? You will probably need a scrap piece of paper for this, just to let you know. That'll definitely help you out. Okay? You're going to want to show your work somewhere, and you're definitely going to need to turn that in when you turn in this worksheet. So you might have to take multiple pictures. Just letting you know. Number 1 says, Bargains R Us store offers a 12-roll package of Wipey Wonder toilet paper for $2.59. The 6-roll package is on sale for $1.25. Which is the better buy? So this one already says step-by-step problem. So first thing we need to do is figure out how much it is per roll in the 12-roll package. So I'm going to do that one on the left side. We got 12 rolls. And that's going to cost $2.59. And these ones you're going to definitely be able to use your calculator. So you might want to go ahead and get one of those as well. You could pause the video if you wanted to do that. We want to figure out what it is for one roll, and we want to figure out how many dollars that is. Okay, so we're going to do $2.59 times 1, and we're going to divide that by 12, which will give us a big long number like this, which is 0.21583. Here's the deal, it keeps going. Well, we're talking about money, so we need to go to the second place, but this is a long number, so remember, you got to round. You got to look at the one next to it, which is the 5. The 5 is 5 or above, so you turn it up. So it's actually going to be 22 cents per roll. Okay, so we got to go back over here. It is 22 cents. Oop, can't use that color. You will never see it. Okay, go ahead and write that in. It's going to be 22 cents per roll. Now, we also need to go ahead and do the 6-roll package. So let's do that one on the other side. So 6 rolls, if my finger works, costs us a total of $1.25. And we need to solve for one roll, and we want to figure out how many dollars that's going to cost. And it would be $1.25 times 1 divided by 6, which is going to give us a really long number once again, which is 0.2083, and the 3 is going to keep going. So what do? Well, remember, I look at the second number because we talk about money. Look at the one next to it, that's bigger than 5, or 5 or above. So this one has to go up 1, which means it's 21 cents. So our answer for this one is actually 21 cents per roll. So, wow, that's pretty interesting. One of them costs 22 cents, one of them costs 21 cents. The better buy is well, let's look at which one's smaller. The 21, that's the 6-roll package, so the better buy is the 6-roll package. That's all you need to do. That is example number 1. Hopefully you showed that work somewhere, and you also have the answers written down. That's a free answer. Let's do the last one so this video can be over. Here we go. Last one. Okay. Walmart sells a case of 24 cans of Diet Coke. 24 cans for $6.88. Okay, so what do I need to do? Well, first thing we need to do is solve for one can. And let's see, it also says Kroger sells a 12 pack, so let's see, 12 pack, that means 12 cans, Diet Coke, for $3.99. And simply, which is the better buy? Well, in this particular case, let's figure it out. We have $6.88 times 1, which is $6.88, divided by 24. So $6.88 divided by 24. That's actually going to give us this big long number if you use your calculator. Okay, remember we need to look at the second one over. Move over to look at it, and that is bigger or 5 or above. So we're going to round up, which means 29 cents per can. So every time you drink a soda from there, it's costing you 29 cents. Let's look at the next one. Okay, this time we have $3.99. We're trying to solve for 1 can. It's going to cost us X dollars. Okay, $3.99 times 1 is $3.99 divided by 12. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to get 0.3325. And if you look 2 places over, you can look at the 2 next to it. That is less than 5, so it stays the same. It is 33 cents per can. So which one do you want to use? The 33 cents per can or the 29 cents per can? Well, in this particular case, the better buy is the 29-cent one at Walmart. Okay, so which one is the better store or better buy? The 24 can. All right, so the 24 cans, and that is the better buy. Now, that's all you need to do. I know that's a lot of work. I know it looks really confusing. The honest truth is, you got to show your work so you can figure this out. There is a lot of work to these. Ladies and gentlemen, all you need to do is finish that worksheet. Remember, you do not need to do number 4 on both sides, on the left and the right. All right, and good luck. See you later.